Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to withdraw money from JustMarket. Let's get started. First, log into your JustMarkets account using your registered email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of all your trading and wallet accounts. Choose the account you want to withdraw funds from, and click the Withdraw button next to it. Now, if your account hasn't been verified yet, you'll be redirected to the account verification page. Here, you'll need to fill in your personal details such as your full name, address, and phone number. You may also be asked to upload identity documents to complete the verification process. Once your account is successfully verified, you'll be taken to the withdrawal section. JustMarkets offers multiple withdrawal methods, including worldwide bank cards, popular e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. Select the withdrawal method that suits you best. Then, click Withdraw and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.